Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Babyshiro Neko token. Ticker symbol is Babyshiro. Now it was just announced that this token will be getting a very big central exchange listing starting tomorrow on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Babyshiro Neko token. Ticker symbol Babyshiro, all one word. This token is on the Solana blockchain. This is a Sol meme coin with a market cap right now of $1.6 million. This token is up 83.31% in the past 24 hours. Has a 24-hour trading volume of $346,000. They have a token price of 0.0014 USD. They have $128,000 worth of liquidity in Raydium. And according to Dex Screener, 100% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. Now, this is a brand new token. Pair was just created on Raydium 4 days, 15 hours ago. Right now, they have 265 pooled SOL in Raydium, which is equivalent to a little bit over 40.1 million pooled Babyshiro tokens. Now this token here is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow. It was just announced on Twitter. It says, the cutest cat in crypto is ready to shake up the Solana blockchain and is being listed November 30th at 8 a.m. UTC time on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Babyshiro, all one word, and then simply just buy the token. Now, going on today, November 29th, on Mexc Global, they have a Kickstarter event where you could vote with MX tokens, which is Mexc Global's token. You could vote with MX tokens and potentially win airdrops, and there is a reward pool available of 50,000 USDT. So check out the airdrop Kickstarter event on Mexc Global as well today. Now, I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here so you guys can easily find this project at Babyshiro Neko on Twitter. Blue verified checkmark, 66 tweets. They have their Telegram listed right there and their webpage listed right there. All the links you're going to need are on this Twitter. They just joined Twitter November 2024 and they have 7,980 followers already. Very popular project. And their Telegram here at Babyshiro Neko has 4,388 subscribers. You can preview the channel before joining. That's going to be a great place to see updates regarding this project, like new token listing announcements, partnerships, memes, etc. And same with the Twitter there. Now, if you go to their webpage, babyshiro.vip, they have a roadmap, tokenomics, buy button, chart button, all sorts of links. Join the community. So it says here, their webpage, babyshiro.vip. I guess I got to open it up in a different browser there. There we go. Okay, so it says here, introducing Babyshiro Neko, He is the baby of the well-known Shiro Neko cat. He is still very young and playful, but his main goal is to quickly become very well known in the crypto world. Take care of him and he will reward you greatly. With him, the Solana blockchain as the next guaranteed moonshot. Now, obviously not guaranteed, but it says here, total supply of this token is 1 billion tokens. Mint revoked, liquidity 100% burned. So if you wanted to get this token a day prior to the Mexc global listing, or maybe you don't want to use a central exchange, or for whatever reason, you can get this token today off of Raydium. So first of all, you would need a wallet that could store Solana tokens. So you could use a Soulflare wallet, Phantom wallet, Trust wallet, or a MetaMask wallet. Any one of those wallets would do, and you could download one of those wallets from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or you can get a Chrome extension on your PC. Then you would fund that wallet with Sol. Now, you could fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Sol, you'd go into the dApps, you would find Raydium. You could also most likely get this token off other dexes as well, and if not, probably in the future, like Jupiter, Meteora, and Orca. And if you want to find the chart for this token, you can find it on Dex Tools, Dex Screener, Birdeye. You can also find this token on SolScan as well. So then you would trade your Sol for the Babyshiro Neko token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, babyshiro.vip. Now, you won't have to set slippage because it says 0% buy and sell tax. You will have to pay a small amount of gas fees, though, when buying tokens off of Raydium. And it says here, phase 1 of their roadmap, the little sweet cat is born. Phase 2, everyone becomes aware of Baby Shiro Neko. And phase 3, ultimate hype and unstoppable pump to the moon. It's kind of a meme roadmap. They do have a step-by-step how to buy this token on their webpage. They even have an embedded Jupiter swap that you can just connect your wallet to on the page. And same with the chart. Then they have some partners on here, Jupiter, Birdeye, Dex Tools, all the things I just basically named. And their contact email at the bottom of their webpage as well, contact@babyshiro.vip. Now this token has a quick audit. It says no freezable contract, no mintable tokens. You can also find the token on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, Bubble Maps. All these links are on Dex Tools here. And yeah, total supply 1 billion tokens. Dex Tools has this token up 77% in the past 24 hours. And yeah, so their quick audit here says contract verified, no honeypot, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, and no other risks. So keep in mind, though, that's just a quick audit. It's not a full audit. It doesn't go over everything. And make sure you thoroughly do your own research before investing in any token. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there, especially that Mexc global one where this token is being listed. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.